Hey guys, I'm back with another video on the 2023 Honda Accord. My last video, I asked you which design you like better between the 10th generation and the 11th generation. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to every single one of you that leave a comment on that video. That means a lot. Now, that being said, 9 out of 10 of you chose the 10th generation, which I completely understand. Now, I want you to take a look at this one again. I'm just gonna be quiet for a second. Take a look at this body style. The thing that I like about this one is the simplicity of it. A lot of the comments said this car so simple, it's just so plain. To me, that's the beauty of it. It's just clean. Everything about it is just clean and simple. That's what I like about it. Now, on this 11th generation, there are one major things that we lose. The 2.0 engine. On this one, you only have 1.5-liter engine. You do not get the 2.0 engine. So we lose that one. That really hurts. I know a lot of people like the 2.0 engine. We do not have it this time. Now, when you go back to the body style again, you got the exterior, really clean, really simple, and they do pretty much the same thing on the interior. When you go on the interior, it's so simple, so clean. Everything is simple. And for this generation, you have 6 tracks. For the gas, you have the LX and the EX, which this is what we have here. And the hybrid, you have Sport, EXL, Sport L, and the Sport Touring. Now, guys, I want to say thank you to all of you that watched the last video. And with this one, I would like you guys to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And please leave a thumbs up on this one. They will help me a lot on this channel. So if you want to see more video, please let me know which one you want to see and I will deliver. Again, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. It will help me and help the channel. Thank you.